എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷങ്ങൾ? This is Dr. Daphne, your family dentist, and today I will be discussing with you 5 things I would never do as a dentist. Number 1, I will never brush my teeth immediately after vomiting. When we vomit, the stomach acid directly comes in contact with the teeth. Now, this is a very acidic content with a gnarly pH, which is similar to that of a battery acid. Already the teeth is at the most weak when it is in contact with this acid. Now imagine rubbing with the brush all over the tooth surface. This will accelerate the wearing away of the teeth and make you more susceptible to decay. I know the first thing which we want to do after vomiting is to feel clean. But what you can do is you can swish your mouth with water and then wait for half an hour for the saliva to create its normal natural buffering action. It takes saliva half an hour to neutralize the acid attack. Meanwhile, swish your mouth with water, and if it is accessible to you, add a little bit of sodium bicarbonate into water and swish with that solution. This will help neutralize the acid faster. This is a tip which we usually suggest for pregnant women with morning sickness. The second thing which I would never do is I would never ever drink coffee all through the day. Now I love my cup of coffee and relish it, but I drink it in one sitting and I'm done with it. Coffee itself is an acidic medium. Its pH is slightly higher than that of the mouth. So every time you take a sip of coffee, the saliva has to work hard to buffer it. Now, as I said earlier, it takes half an hour for the buffering action to happen. Now imagine drinking coffee all through the day. With each sip, the saliva has to overwork and it hardly is effective in its work. So your teeth is more susceptible to decay and wearing off. The same principle is applicable to snacking. Snacking through, even if you are eating something healthy, snacking all through the day increases your chance of decay. The third thing I would never do is I would never ever go to sleep without brushing my teeth. Even today when I talk to most patients, most people brush only once a day and they are all morning brushers. People are hesitant to brush in the night, but what happens is all those food debris and the deposits get time to marinate inside your mouth for 8 to 10 hours. Now this is a cesspool of bacteria which makes you highly prone to decay. People who brush their teeth at night are less prone to caries when compared to people who brush only in the mornings. So if you are insistent that you will brush only once a day, then please choose to brush during the night. As a dentist, I would never ever recommend anyone to brush only once, but if you are insistent, then please choose the nighttime brushing, because the saliva secretion is at its lowest during the night time, making your teeth very prone to decay. If you are a mouth breather, the incidence of decay is worse. The fourth thing I would never do as a dentist is I would never bite my nails. This is not only unhygienic, biting the nails actually ages your teeth by wearing away its edges and sides. The fifth thing I would never do is the popular fad of drinking apple cider vinegar with water first thing in the morning in empty stomach. Not only is it this fad does not have proper proofs or evidence, it doesn't have proper evidence based study. That's the first thing. Secondly, it doesn't work for everyone. Third and most important point from the oral point of view is taking this for prolonged duration of time will completely destroy your enamel and ruin your teeth. So don't fall for these fads. Research and learn what science is telling. There is no shortcut for weight loss or weight management which they suggest. The apple cider vinegar proponents suggest that this contributes a lot to weight management, but there is no shortcut for that. The only thing which works is portion control and going for some type of movement and exercise. I hope my content has benefited you. and keep following me for more such tips and videos. Do give me your valuable feedback. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.